Today, I'll show you how to fix MetaTrader 5 no connection. If MetaTrader 5 shows no connection in the bottom right corner, it usually means the platform cannot connect to your broker's trading server. This can happen because of internet issues, wrong login details, server selection problems, or firewall settings. First, check your internet connection. Open your browser and visit any website to confirm your connection is working. If the internet is slow or disconnected, restart your router and reconnect your computer. Next, restart MetaTrader 5. Close the platform completely, then open it again. Sometimes the connection refreshes automatically after restarting. Now check the bottom right corner of MetaTrader 5. If it still says no connection, click the connection status area and look at the available servers. Choose the correct broker server linked to your trading account. For example, your broker may have different servers for demo, real, live, or pro accounts. If you are not sure which server to use, check the email you received from your broker when you created the account. Next, confirm your login details. Go to File, then click Login to Trade Account. Enter your account number, password, and the correct server. Make sure there are no extra spaces when copying the login information. Then click OK. If the account connects, you should see price movement in MarketWatch and a connection speed in the bottom right corner. If it still does not connect, check your firewall or antivirus. Make sure MetaTrader 5 is allowed to access the internet. You can also try temporarily switching to another network, such as a mobile hotspot, to see if your current network is blocking the connection. Another useful step is to rescan the servers. Click the server list in the bottom right corner, then choose Rescan Servers if the option appears. You can also go to File, then open an account, search for your broker, and let MetaTrader 5 update the server list. If nothing works, your broker's server may be temporarily down, or your account may be inactive. Contact your broker support and ask them to confirm your account status and correct MT5 server name. And that's it. You now know how to fix MetaTrader 5 no connection. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.